after 8 months of continuous traveling, all my equipment is finally giving up on me, and it's teaching me something all over again. See, my DSLR is showing errors that aren't actually happening and won't go away. I lost my GoPro surfing in the ocean. My drone has compass errors all the time, probably because I've crashed it several times. My gimbal always has problems connecting with my phone. And my phone, the logic board, is broken. So while I can record on it, when I do, there is absolutely no sound. My computer is old and slow, and I've worn out 2 tripods. And all of this makes me realize how costly everything is. To travel, start these vlogs, videos, movies, whatever you want to call them. My DSLR, this camera that I'm filming with right now, is $1,000. This extra lens for it is $500. My drone is $1,000. This gimbal, $500, and this phone, $700. A GoPro for $300, which I don't even have anymore. And then there's the miscellaneous stuff. I'm talking extra batteries, filters, hard drive. All of this will run you several $100s more. And then there's your computer. It's probably never cheaper than $1,000. So all of this together is no less than $5,000. And so how much it would take me to replace all of this, which is a lot of money, which is insane and takes a lot of sacrificing. But as with anything that any of us are passionate about, in the end, it's worth the sacrifices. So I guess it is time to make some sacrifices. Oh yeah, and my phone screen also very cracked, and so are my filters.